welcome back. So in this video, I'll share my recipe for stovetop macaroni and cheese, as well as show the finished product. So the ingredients that I use are macaroni noodles, cheese, seasoned oil, black pepper, butter, and milk. And if I were to bake the macaroni and cheese, I would use eggs. So I'll show you the ingredients. So these are the eggs, again, only for baking the macaroni and cheese. And then I'll show you the remainder of my ingredients. So here I have some elbow macaroni noodles. You're welcome to use the noodles that you prefer. Cheese, black pepper, seasoned oil, milk, and butter. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.